Good morning, friends. Actually, uh, when our India became independent country, democratic country, everybody was concentrating on social justice, and the main competitive ideology for, against this democratic system was communism, and later on that communism was slowly liquidated to socialism. And Madam Indira Gandhi concentrated on socialism because only with the assistance of Russia, USSR, United Sovereign Socialist Republic, we used to gain over the war against Pakistan uh, when uh, East Pakistan was liberated as West Bengal, Bangladesh. That time everybody was concentrating on poor people because they are the strength of the nation, and giving them employment was major thing. But now what happened after 1996? Got general agreement of tariff and taxes, globalization, privatization being extended, and that resulted even for some consideration. The state government used to have contractual labor instead of appointing them as permanent employees to get over with the recruitment process, the public service commission intervention, and if it is contracts, they could appoint their own men. But that also developed slowly, and they knocked at the door of justice for their regularization after having completed substantial service in that particular area. Therefore, uh, initially a case was decided in favor of uh, these contractual services. Uma Devi case, AR 2006 SC 1806. Again, the judgment was followed and some reiterated judgment was delivered. In AR 2021, Supreme Court 3305, University of Delhi versus Delhi University Contract Employees Union. In Tamil Nadu also several arena, the contractual services are implanted, particularly in cooperative societies, multi-number of contractual employees are engaged. This is case where they say Constitution of India, Article 16 and 14, regularization appointment for post of junior assistant on contract basis. Contract employees not completing 10 years of service cannot claim relief of regularization in terms of judgment in Uma Devi. When judgment in Uma was delivered, contract employees had put just 3 to 4 years. But as of now, most of them have completed more than 10 years. Though benefit of regular cannot be granted, but opportunity must be given to them appearing in ensuing selections. So somewhat lenient consideration by Uday, Umesh, Lalit and K.M. Joseph. See, they have discussed about various judgment and about how the contract services are being recruited and employed. Then multi-number of pages, they finally said that what ratio I have read. So it is better for you if anybody approaches you for the benefit of regularization of contract service, you can approach it. These efforts was only by trade unions led by uh, left wings, Communist Party of India and the Marxist Communist Party of India. They are only sometimes concentrating, like our Vaigai Madam, Anna Matthew, NGR Prasad, and now some veteran juniors of NGR Prasad, followers of them, friends of them, NGR Prasad are concentrating. And our senior counsel Prakash is also concentrating to extend this relief, so this sort of relief. I hope this judgment may be most helpful to you. Kindly keep this judgment on file and record. Next, a bad scenario and is prevailing before the registry of High Court of Judicature. I think the staff of registry are psychologically distressed while dealing with cases to process number. See, in one case, in the month of July, the case seems to have been returned, but I have not communicated. Only on persistent approach, the staff frequently on leave. Now only they say it is returned. I forget about it. There are several number of cases. The passing clerks are not concentrating to return the papers. In one case, what had happened? Beta was not filed in the writ petition. That was not noticed by that particular case which is concerning about revenue. But he concentrated on the subject of the writ petitions because it is pertaining to government servant anti-social activities in indulging in corrupt practice. He only want to on external pressure. He want to detain the writ petitions for the reasons. In one case, writ petition, impleading petition, stamp was not affixed. That was also not noticed. He simply returns. How these things are happening? Multi number of incidents are there. But I don't want to bring specifically complaint about that particular staffs who are indulging in those activities. But I want that there should be overall supervision all over the staff. What this deputy registrar or junior joint registrars are doing as a supervising authority to correct this stuff. Our first bench also has stated that don't try to play role of judges. You forget about that. That is another aspect. It's only some border case disputes are there. But when the staff are not taking note of stamps not being paid and wakalat this even affidavit was not signed, and simply say you have not obtained attestation from the affidavit. See, the affidavit was not signed because the affidavit was filed by obtaining signature from NRA at Ireland. The council attorneys attested there in white paper. Unfortunately, we have filed it by typing it in green paper. He simply says you have not get attestation without noticing that the green paper was not signed by the party. This sort of lot of things are prevailing. What to do, what not to do, whom to be blamed. One staff told that having paid a substantial amount to secure the job, with the registrar of High Court, they could not earn money, substantial money, to repay their loan, and therefore they are psychologically distressed. Whatever it may be, who has to be blamed for this? I could not understand. So we are suffering. We are left in deep forest by closing our eyes. We can't go. We will ring to calls. They are not attending. What is happening? Why this is happening? Why we are being allowed to sustain this sort of humiliation, the harassment by the staff? There should be some mediator or the middle persons to work out these sort of problems. At least they should allow or 1 hour so far returns are concerned. I have seen writ petitions when I appear for the respondent. A lot of the writ petitions was not maintainable. Omnibus prayer was there, restraining the register authority to register any document presented by the respondent. Multi number of respondents are there. These all are happening much of